Hello kids, I'm mentor Neetu. We are doing basic mathematics class 3 by Coral Publisher. So today we are starting chapter 12, geometry. So the first is point. Sharp a pencil and press its tip on the surface of a paper. When the tip is lifted, it leaves a small dot on the paper. This dot is called a point. जैसे हम पेंसिल से एक ऐसे लगा देते हैं, this is the dot, point. A point has no length, no breadth, no height, no size, no shape. A point is named by a capital letter A, B, C, any capital letter. Now line segment. Line segment, when any two points are joined by a straight path, a line segment is formed. This is called the line segment AB. जैसे हमने A और B 2 points से उनको join किया तो line segment आ जाएगा AB. The point A and B are its end points. The distance between the points A and B is its length. A line segment has two end points and a definite length. It has no breadth, no thickness. Okay? एक line segment की fixed length होती है, two end points होते हैं. Now line. A line segment extended indefinitely in both the directions is called a line. अगर हम एक line segment को दोनों साइड से extend कर दें infinitely तो ये क्या बन जाएगी? Line. Line has no end point, no definite length. It can be drawn in both the direction. तो इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? AB line यानी ऐसे. ओके, लाइन सेगमेंट को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? ए बी ऐसे डॉट्स है ना, राइट. नाउ रे लाइक सन रे. सन रे हमें पता है कि वो सन से आ रही है, लेकिन कितना दूर जा रही है वी डोंट नो. अ रे मीन्स अ लाइन सेगमेंट एक्सटेंडेड इनडेफिनेटली इन वन साइड इज कॉल्ड अ रे. Thus a ray starts from a definite point and goes indefinitely to अदर साइड. वो एक डायरेक्शन में हम उसको एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. A ray has one definite point and another indefinite point. It has no definite length. इसकी जो लेंथ है we can't measure it. Now drawing line segments. Let us learn how to draw a line segment XY. Suppose हमें एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करना है XY. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Mark 2 points X and Y on paper. Place the ruler on the paper in a position such that point X and Y are placed along the edge. Place the tip of a pencil on X and run the pencil along ruler's edge till the tip reaches point Y. हम place कर देंगे रूलर को X पॉइंट पे और पेंसिल चला देंगे Y तक with the help of ruler. Now lift the pencil and move the ruler. You have the line segment XY. Very easy. Now the second one, draw a line segment AB measuring 10 centimeter. अब हमें एक line segment draw करना है जिसकी length 10 centimeter है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Place the ruler on a piece of paper. Place the tip of the pencil on the paper at the 0 centimeter mark of the ruler. हम starting point से start करेंगे पेंसिल की हेल्प से. Pressing the ruler firmly against the paper with one hand. Run the tip of the pencil along the ruler till you reach 10 centimeter. और पेंसिल को लेते जाएंगे 10 centimeter तक और यहाँ पे हम रुक जाएंगे. So what we are getting? We are getting AB लाइन सेगमेंट जिसकी लेंथ कितनी है? 10 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तो A एंड B मार्क कर देंगे, राइट. मेजरिंग लाइन सेगमेंट. अब हमें कोई लाइन सेगमेंट गिवन है, उसको मेजर कैसे करना है वो भी हम करेंगे रूलर की हेल्प से. सो मेथड 1, वी कैन मेजर अ लाइन सेगमेंट बाय यूजिंग अ रूलर और अ डिवाइडर एंड अ रूलर. लेट अस मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ अ लाइन segment PQ. Place the edge of the ruler along the line segment PQ with the zero of the ruler at P. Starting point P है तो हमने यहाँ पे इसका zero place कर दिया रूलर का. Now take the reading from the ruler where Q is placed. अब हम देखेंगे Q कहाँ तक है, तो Q जो है वो 5 तक है। सो हमें पता चल गया कि PQ की जो लेंथ है दैट इज 5 सेंटीमीटर। Now method 2, let us measure the length of PQ using a divider and a ruler. अब हम divider की help से measure कर सकते हैं। Place one end point of the divider on point P. हमने one जो उसका point है P पे रखा। Then now adjust the other arm of the divider so that the other end rests on point Q. अब उसको हम ऐसे adjust करेंगे कि वो Q तक touch करे। Now lift the divider and compare the gap between the points against a ruler. If we place one point of the divider on the 0 centimeter mark, we find the other point rest on 5 centimeter. फिर जितना ओपन हुआ है डिवाइडर उसको हम मेजर कर लेंगे with the help of ruler. So that is 5 centimeter. Now plane shapes. One is rectangle, square, triangle, circle. Since we can draw these figures on a sheet of paper or a plane surface, they are called plane shapes or plane figures. Now rectangle. What is rectangle? A rectangle has 4 corners, any vertices, and 4 sides. Opposite sides are always equal. 4 vertices हैं A, B, C, D. ओके, साइड्स कौन कौन सी है? AB, BC, CD एंड DA, 4 साइड्स। एंड डायगोनल्स क्या होंगे? जो अपोजिट वर्टिसेस को ज्वाइन करेंगे, 2 डायगोनल्स AC एंड BD। ओके, और ये डायगोनल्स क्या होते हैं? इक्वल रेक्टेंगल में, राइट। नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू स्क्वायर. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. All the sides of square are equal. इसकी शेप ऐसे होती है जिसमें all the sides are same. 4 sides हैं, 4 vertices हैं, ऐसे 2 diagonals हैं. So vertices PQRS, sides name PQ, QR, RS, PS और SP. Diagonals कौन कौन से हैं? PR and SQ. And square has 2 diagonals of equal length. अब आते हैं हम ट्रायंगल में. ट्रायंगल में क्या होता है? 3 vertices and 3 sides. 3 vertices कौन से हैं? ABC and 3 sides AB, BC and AC. The sides of triangle may or may not be equal. Sides equal भी हो सकती है, नहीं भी हो सकती हैं. Now we are coming to circle. Can you identify the shape of this object? It is a circle. A circle has corners. Now circle. Can you identify the shape of this object? It is a circle. A circle has no corner, no side. It is a simple closed curve. Like take a 1 rupee coin and draw the outline with a pencil. You will get a circle. The region inside the boundary is the area of the circle. इसको हम बोलते हैं area. A circle has a center. A line segment from the center to the circle is called the radius. Point O is the center. OP is the radius. एक सर्कल का एक सेंटर पॉइंट होता है और उस सेंटर पॉइंट से हम कोई भी पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस लेंगे तो उसको हम बोलते हैं रेडियस. ओके, आप ये हायर क्लासेस में करेंगे. नाउ एक्सरसाइज 1 is based on such type of definitions. Like here the first question. Name the line segments used in forming each one of the following figure. तो A पार्ट में आप बता सकते हैं कौन कौन से लाइन सेगमेंट यूज हुए हैं? OL, then LM, MN, ON. Similarly, you can try remaining figures. ऐसे fill-ups हैं आपके पास. You can try these one. Now we are coming to solid shape. An object that occupies space is called a solid. Look at these shapes of solids like cuboid है, matchbox, cube है, ice cube या dice, cylinder है, and then cone like birthday cap, sphere है like ball. So these are the solid shapes. Important facts related to solid shape. The first is face. फेस क्या होता है? द फ्लैट सरफेस ऑफ अ सॉलिड इज नोन एज द फेस. एज when the surfaces or faces meet, they form an edge. Corner or vertex, the point where two or more edges meet, is called the vertex. Right? Now cuboid, जैसे कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, मैच बॉक्स हो गया, ये बुक है हमारे पास, ये बॉक्स है, like this refrigerator. So they all are in the shape of cuboid. A cuboid has, आप देख सकते हैं cuboid के पास 6 rectangular plane faces. जैसे आप रूम को ही ले लो, रूम में क्या है, 4 walls हैं, रूफ है, फ्लोर है, ये क्या है 6 faces, और ये क्या है रेक्टेंगल शेप में. The opposite faces of cuboid are identical, means same होते हैं. So cuboid has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now we are coming to cube. You have seen ice cube dies. A cube has 6 square plane faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड में क्या डिफरेंस है? क्यूबॉइड में जो फेसेस हैं वो रेक्टेंगुलर हैं और क्यूब में जो फेसेस हैं वो क्या है? स्क्वायर. So ice cube, sugar cube, dice, these are found in the shape of a cube. Then what are the dissimilar in cube and cuboid? The opposite faces of a cuboid are equal and all its faces are of rectangular shape. In case of cube, all faces are equal and in the shape of square, as I told you. Okay. Now we are coming to cylinder. You have seen this bottle like this, cylinder. So these are the shape of cylinder. You can see a cylinder has 3 faces, 2 plane and 1 curved. 2 plane, this is curved one. और जो 2 plane कौन से हैं? नीचे वाला circle and ऊपर वाला circle. These are 2 plane faces and this is 1 curved face. A cylinder has, ये क्या है? इसके 2 edges. Okay. And a cylinder has no vertex. Now the next is cone. Now look at these pictures. These pictures are in the shape of a cone, like you have seen these one. A cone has 2 faces, one plain face which is its base and one curved face. एक curved है और एक नीचे वाला base, plain. So this is one plain face and one curved face. A cone has one edge where the curved face meets the plain face and a cone has one corner यानी one vertex. Okay? A cone has one vertex. Now sphere, look at these picture of ball and globe. Both are in the shape of a sphere. A sphere has only one curved face. A sphere has no edge, no vertex, like ball. Okay? So now exercise 2 is based on such type of figures. You can try. Now we are coming to open and close figures. In class 2 you had learned about different types of line such as straight and curved, vertical and horizontal. When we join 2 or more lines, they make figure. A simple curved line also makes a figure. Let us see the figures made by straight or curved line. Like closed figures. Closed figures are those whose starting and ending points meet. Look at these. These are closed. जहाँ से आप start करेंगे वहीं पे आके वो मिल जाएगा. So this is a closed figure. Okay? These all are closed figure. Now open figure. These are open. Open figures are those whose starting and ending points do not meet. The following figures are open figures. You can see. Okay. Now exercise 3 based on such type of figures, like the first one, write open or close for the following figure. A part is closed figure, B is open, C is also open and D is closed. तो ऐसे आप बाकी क्वेश्चन ट्राई कर सकते हैं. I hope this is clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.